Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Amsari. Today in this video we are going to see the video about how to earn money in 2024. So most of the people are facing issues to fulfill their dreams due to the money. Like students who are studying in the graduate like degree, BTech, any type of women who are working in home, everyone are looking for making money when they get a free time. So in this video I will show you how to earn money in 5 ways. Before going to the video, I wish you a very happy new year for each and everyone to get successful in this 2024. So let's move into the video. The first one is freelancing work. So learn the high demanding skills like web development, data science, app development, designing, any type of skills, and use the skills like applying the jobs. And also there is some of the freelancing websites also providing like Upwork, Freelancer, some of the etc things has present the website. Go and build a profile in that website and apply the projects and connect with the clients and get a project. So this is the one way. And the second way is tutoring and online teaching. So share your knowledge, what you have learn about the demanding skills like previously we discussed that things. So share your tutors and online teaching for the students and the people who are necessary that demanding skills. So it is one of the most of the edtechs are work like this only. And the third one is start a blogging. Blogging is the most important. Write content which is like required for the demand skills. So you have knowledge on data science, so write a content on data science, how the data science works, something related to the data science. You have a knowledge on web development, write a content related to the web development, how the data web development works, what are the skills required, etc etc. These are the things you need to mention as a blog. So blogs are also one of the money earning things also. And the fourth way is creating a youtube videos. Youtube videos, why is that? Like youtube videos, like you need to create reviews on food, movies, clothes, any type of things reviews, and unboxing videos and tech niche and gaming and nature videos. Any type of videos you can create in youtube, upload into youtube. That is also one way to earn the money. And the fifth one is transition audio and transishable and instagram. Like so many people, like example, if one of the youtuber or instagram famous in tamil, they are thinking to transact that, like they need to come to the telugu peoples also, they need audience. So that's why you in that case you can use your like skills of abilities and use that videos to translate to other languages. So like that also you can earn money. So these are the 5 ways to earn the money for the students, women, and unemployed candidates. So I hope you are all understand this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any more alternative ways to earn the money, please mention in comment also. Thank you.